Hey y'all, I'm so excited today. I am adding a new brand to my collection. Actually, I lie. I've had an item from this brand before, but it's been over 10 years since I bought anything. Way over, yes, over 10 years. So I'm so excited. This particular style I've been lusting after for so long. So stick around. Hey all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel is all about treating yourself to a little bit of luxury, whether that be your cup of coffee, your favorite fragrance, your designer jewelry. I just recently got these, so I've been loving having this in my life. So I'm kind of playing with them. So if you like that kind of content, designer handbags, fragrances, coffee, treating yourself, please consider subscribing. I'd really love to have you be part of our little family here. Comment down below with anything that you like to chat about, like treat yourself with. So today, so excited. We are unboxing, or actually just unbagging this item because the box, you know, Rebag has been my girl for some time now, but I had to laugh because when I opened the box, it was just like poof in there, and that's so not like them. Usually they take really great care with their packaging, so I just was like, okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and pull it out and put it over here, and we'll dive in here. So I'm really excited to open this up. This is an item I have been trying to find. I shouldn't say the perfect one, but the perfect one at the perfect price, because these can be a little pricey, and this one showed up at the price range, and it was unique enough and different that I just decided to take the plunge. So comment down below with what you think it is. Let's take it out of the plastic. You can probably tell by the way I'm lifting it out of the bag that the style is probably going to be easy to guess. I'm so excited that it came in its original. Are these leather strings? Ooh, Fendi. Oh, Fendi, you're that girl. Ooh. Wow. Maybe they're just black cords, but they look fancy. It looks fancy. So I'm so excited. Anyway, this color is something I never thought I would buy, because I typically don't I don't have anything in this color, and it's not something I typically like. I'm drawn towards other ones, but this one just seemed really cute, so I'm drawing it out, but it's a peekaboo. I'm just so excited. And this was in the outlet part of Rebag. I have to tell you, what used to be the outlet part of Fashion File, you could find some decent stuff over in the outlet of Fashion File, but for the most part, it was they were pretty used up. I'll just be honest. The outlet of Fashion File was like the stuff that they could barely sell, or maybe they had way too much of. And a few of the things I picked up at that, I was lucky. I had to rehab them, so to speak, but like I had a 6 key. Yeah, no, a 4 key and a 6 key. A 4 key item I bought, I rehabbed that, cleaned it up, and I still have it to this day. It's working out really well. And then I have a 6 key item I had to finish some of the button and clean up the inside, but I've had it for 4 years now, and it's holding up really well. But this looked really nice considering it was in the outlet. I believe they said it had some excessive wear. And I have to say, other than this little piece right here, that's kind of like, I guess, scratch, they'll call it, I'm not seeing that excessive wear. I mean, they took really close up, in-depth photos trying to warn you of the wear. I think it looks fabulous. So it's this oxblood color. let me go ahead and put that over there. Silver hardware, and even that barely looks scratched. It just, I'm really excited. Great stuffing in here. Let me get out the strap. It's beautiful. Oh, it comes with a little coat. Oh my God. This is like so nice. So, oh, there's the card. So again, I think I've mentioned it before. Rebag has these little certified by Rebag cards that they always print up for your item. So if you want to resell it back to them, oh, there we go. So if you kind of look at an angle, you can see the scratches right there. So that's why it was at the outlet. But girl, I don't care. That's nothing. I'm gonna beat it up a lot worse than that. So this is the Peekaboo with flower embellished interior in the regular size. And I'm not sure if I can really show it very well. Let's see. How can I get this to? There we go. I'll bend it down. So that just seemed really, really cute. This flower embellishment on the inside. It was so unique. It's all leather, little the flowers are like little leather pieces. Let me see if I can get it out. They go all the way on the inside, so it's just really hard to show you. Maybe I can get the camera and do some B-roll on there, but it was just so cute. I believe this is the medium size on there. So just cute as can be. I love it. There it is locked up. So it's kind of an oxblood kind of tone to it. And it was purple enough that I'm a purple. Purple's my jam. But yeah, I mean, it's this red kind of tone to it. It's just really cute. I just thought it was for my first Peekaboo, and probably my last too, but I just really thought it is just gorgeous. It's beautiful. And I just have been looking at them. Let me take off the strap. It's a very interesting little mechanism, how they come on and off. So if I take those off, I just think that they're so cute. So it's a plain on the side, like a beigey gray color, and then on this side the floral embellishment. I think it's really cute. I mean, I think that other people are being like, this is just kind of weird, but I think it's beautiful. So I'll insert some mod shots of me wearing it. It's just really cute, in my opinion. So I think I'm going to keep this side closed up and then keep this side open. It's suede on this part of it, and then the leather on the inside. Does it have anything special? Just made in Italy, with a zip pocket here, with the where the flower is. Anything else? Nope. I'm just really excited. I'm just really, really excited to have a Peekaboo in my collection. It's just been quite some time that I've been wanting to do this. So there's that excessive wear right there. I think they're calling it discoloration. I don't really see it, but you know, I'll insert the images that they feel were excessive. I think the corners look great. Yeah, I just think it's a really nice piece. It's unique. Those that embellishment in there is just beautiful. So I am so excited to have a Peekaboo finally in my collection. The strap could be longer, that's for sure. Though, to be honest, it's on its last notch here, so I think if I put it on, or I should say the highest notch, if I put it on the second to last item, which is probably where I need it to be for it to be crossbody for me, will be fine. And I mean, it barely wants to adjust, so obviously it's been in that state for the majority of its life on the planet. So it there we go. So definitely longer. I was really excited about that. Oh, it's so pretty. So excited. I'm so excited. So excited. Oh, I love the hardware color. I love the tone of it. Yeah, it's exactly what I wanted in a bag. So yeah, just beautiful as can be. And it really is coming across as a really plummy tone, so not really the ox blood. So it's really coming across as more purple than what it shows online for sure. So hope you're excited about this being part of my collection. I love the feet too. It has feet. I had no idea that they had raincoats. I knew that they had things called defenders, and I'm looking at those right now. But Yeah, a little Fendi raincoat. My bag has a raincoat. This is so cute. Oh, I love it. This is so cute. So cute. Love it. So excited to have it as part of my collection. See y'all later. Take care.